Hi, this is Priyanshu. In today's video, we are going to talk about our class 6th mathematics chapter 13 practical geometry exercise 13.4. This is related to the Telangana State Board, and in this video we are going to see the solution of exercise 13.4. This is a very easy exercise we are going to do with this protector. This is a single protector. We complete this exercise. Okay, right. So if you have any doubt, then don't worry, I will teach you how this is going to be. Okay, so let's just start this exercise from the first question. So what this first question is telling that here. Okay, so what the question is telling, let's see. Draw a flowing angles with the help of a protector. Okay now, like here given angle 65. Okay now, don't confuse this ABC, don't see ABC, forgot this ABC, this forgot this all. Just understand that thing only. You have to draw the, by using this protector, you have to draw 65-degree angle. Okay, so I will explain you one thing here in this, just wait a minute. Okay, so just understand one thing. This is a paper I'm taking. This is our protector. Okay, I hope you have, when you have a geometry box, your geometry box have this protector. This protector have generally, you have looking at this line, this 0, 10, 20, 30. Generally we consider that line only. In the protector, whatever your angle is making, we are going from this side only, we are going to use this side only. Okay, like from this one, this is middle point, you will consider that one. Okay, whatever angle we will take, like 45-degree angle we are taking, so this 45-degree angle we will take from here only. This is 0, 10, 20, 40, and this is 40 na. What is the half of 40? This is, so it is going to be 45. So we are taking this one. So how you will do? Just simply we join that, like that we are going to do. So generally these numbers are there now. Whatever angles we are going to make, we are going to make with this angle only. It is going to be 180. Okay now, so that's why don't go in this one. Okay, if it is angle is telling 45 degrees, so don't make like that. This is a one, so where it is 45, 45 is here. Okay, so don't go this way, it is going to be like that. So it is wrong, this is not 45-degree angle. This is, if you measured, this is going to be how much? 130-degree, 135-degree. This is going to be 135-degree angle. So you are making 135-degree angle? No. So always remember, in this scale, whatever you are choosing, we always choose from here 0, 10, 20, because we are from right hand side. You have to choose. Okay now, right hand side you have to choose 0, 10, 15, 13. Okay now, this first one you have to choose. This first one is there now. This first number we have to choose, not second one. All don't choose this 180, 80. This is wrong. You don't have to choose, we have to choose this one. Okay, first one 0, 10, 20, 30. Okay, generally. So now let's come to the topic. You have to create 65-degree angle. Okay now, first one 65-degree angle. So let's see, this is our compass. First, this is a center point. You along a trail you are looking, put a dot here, one dot here you put it. After that, take one line here stranded, like that. Put a dot and take line over. Now how many angles we have to see? We have to see 65. So here in this one, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This is 60. This is 60. Here you are looking. This is 60. But where it is 65? Here. This one line is looking at this one. This one. This is 65. So put a dot here. Generally, put a dot like that. You put a dot. Now just remove this and take this one and just join this line. This dot are there, just join these dots. Okay, so now this angle is made. So now here you can do like that. This is how much? 65 na, right? 65 over. Now what is given? A, right here. This is A. What is B? Right, B here. This is C, this is C. So always remember, this B is always middle in it. B is in the middle now, so that's why we have to put B in the middle. Okay, don't write like that, A, B and C. This is going to be wrong. Okay now, that's why. So this is not, this is B, this is A and C. Okay, because B in the middle. That's why one is over. Let's do the second question. So actually we have not lot of speech, not of lot of space, but space. Okay now, let's see. So second one is telling that this is angle. This symbol means angle only. Okay, it is telling PQR. How much it is? 136 degree. It is 136 degree. You have to create 136 degree. Let's see. This is a compass, take something, okay. This is PQ 36 degree. So simple, this is point, take point here, one dot, okay. In this one just add like that, okay. We have to see 36 degree. So 36 degree how? So you will choose this one. This is 36 degree, no, this is 50. Count here, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130 is there. This is 135. And again this line, this is another point here. This is 136. Now here dot. Now join this, both of this line, this and this line, join it. So this is going to be like that, okay. So what the angle it is? This is 136 degree angle. This is given P, right? P, Q in the middle, so Q in the middle, then it is R, right? The R over this line is here now, so it is going to be like that, okay. Right, is it clear? Right, so now our the second question. So the second question here, so our, what is given our second question? Second question given here, it is given, I will write with this is angle symbol. This is angle y equals to 45 degree. How we can do? It's very simple. Just see, this is our scale, sorry, this is our protector, this is point. Just take this like this, one straight line, okay. Now in this one where it is 45 degree, so this is 40 degree, this is 10, 20, 30, 40 degree, 45 it is here, so 45 degree here. Just do this. Now join this, all this line join. So this is joined like, so if you join, this is going to be 45 degree. It is telling y only, this is telling y, so right here this is y over. If you want to extend this line, you can extend like that also. So this is point only, this is going to be like that. Here it is your point, you can extend like that. There is your point. The angle is between this and this only, okay. Now what is your third question? Fourth question, sorry. So the fourth question is here, angle O is there, how many? 172 degree, okay. Let's do this one also. This is your scale, okay, sorry, this is your compass, okay. Now let's look it here, okay. Now here I am taking this point, this is center point. Now here one line, we have to take 172. So now here count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170 is here. 170 is here, but where it is 2, this is 1, this is 2. So where it is, this is going to be like that here. So the angle is making like that, the angle is made like that something. So the angle is made like that, okay now. Not totally straight, okay now. So this is the angle, how much it is? 172 degree, and this is the O, okay. Now here O is given, that's why I put it over here. This is 172 degree. So I hope this question is also clear to you, okay. So if it is clear, then let's talk about the next one, okay. So what is the next question? That's the, so show the clearly, okay. Okay, now in this question it is telling, copy the following angles in your notebook and find their bisectors. Bisectors means what? This, what is the angle? This, you're looking at this like here we are looking, we find it, this is the angle only na here, this is angle only na. So we have to find the angle, this is given na. What this value, what is the value of this corner value you have to find. So how we can find? By the using this scale. So in your textbook, if you draw this one, so your answer will go into something different, because I draw with myself, so that's why its answer will be different. But if you draw with your textbook, you can be, your answer will be different, but measure it like that. Just this is then this put it here, okay. And now a straight line, just do like that here, like that, okay. Now this is going to be like that, okay. Now measure what the angle is. It the 60? The angle have to be 60 only, okay. The angle is 60, like that, one straight line like that. The angle is how much? 60. So don't write 120 here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So the angle is 60 over. This is the bisector. If you want to find the bisector, then this is a point, okay, and this is a point. And you can do like this. This is your measurement, you can do here, okay. I will tell you, okay, 1 straight meter width. So this is your angle, this is your point here, so you can do one like that, So if you measure this one also here and here, so if you measure, this is going to be like that something. Okay, it is also going to be, okay, just wait a minute. Okay, so something it will be intersect in this position, so now a straight line will go like that. Okay, now so something they will intersect this and this line, intersect here, and this is going to be like that. But just definitely understand this one only. This angle is 60. Okay, now let's come this one. So this you can do like that. Okay, this is going to be 50 angle, 50. This is how much? 50 degree. Okay, simple. Just take this scale and this line is here, and take this one here and just scroll it here. So it's going to be something different. I choose it from this one now, so I put here and here, so that's going to be here like that. The angle is 50. Okay, now let's see this one. So take here, this is going to be like that. Okay, this line is like that. So where it is going? It is going in, you will say, sir, it is going in 60. No, it is going in 20, 120. How? This is like that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 10, 100, 110, 120. So this is going to where this scale, if you see, this is going to be 120. So this is going to be 120. Okay, right. So now this is your last question. So let's come here. In this one, just put like that and like that here. Where this angle is going, you will say 150. No, it's 150, not 30. 0, 10, 20, 30. This is 30. So this is going 30. So what is the answer? Answer is going to be 30 only. Okay, so overall this exercise is ended here only. Whatever in this exercise, everything is clear. I hope you will have not a single doubt in this one. This is very easy. By using this protector, you can do that one. Okay, this is a very easy, nothing hard. So this exercise don't have any answer, so the answer will be going to be some different. Whatever I did, let's suppose I taking 120, so it going to be 110, 130, anything, by according to your how you make the diagram. Using this, how you will make the diagram, according to that your answer is going to be. Okay, so I hope this is going to be very easy for you. Whatever in this one, everything is clear. So actually the measurement is going to be different. My measurement and your measurement is going to be something different. But don't worry, this is mathematics. In geometry, this is not a particular geometry, it is a practical. So that's why it's going to be something up and down. So don't worry about it. Okay, so I hope this video is going to be very helpful for you, and we will meet into the next video. Jai Hind.